To transform competing into collaborating, you want to remember that conflicts are transactional, which means it takes two to compete and it takes two to collaborate. You also want to remember the norm of reciprocity, which is you give back what you get from others. The book offered 4 suggestions to transform competing into collaborating. The first is to always be unconditionally constructive. You want to refuse to be abused and refuse to be abusive. The second is ask problem-solving questions. The goal in a conflict is to make the other party go from a power, forcing, controlling communication pattern onto a problem-solving, collaborative pattern. So by asking problem-solving questions, it kind of gets the other person to be more problem-solving. The third suggestion is to confront the process. You want to make an observation about the process and not just ignore it. So like say the other party is being nasty, you want to address them being nasty, and you can force them to justify their nastiness, which is pretty hard to do. So if you confront their process, it'll help them to not be so nasty. The fourth suggestion is to ask for advice. This requires empathy, and the focus is on mutually solving problems and moving away from the power-forcing strategies.